Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Shek my love, and today we have a clean up video. Yeah, how amazing is that? So this is going to be the first time that I'm going to be doing on this channel a clean with me. For those who don't know, I'm staying in a 2-bedroom apartment. It has enough sitting room, and in my sitting room I saw from there I have a space for my sewing projects. I do that from my sitting room. And then yeah, I have a hallway, I have a big I have enough kitchen, and I have a toilet plus a bathroom. So I'm going to be cleaning everything, but first thing first, if you're new here, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So here we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything. You also find level up videos on this channel, so if you're interested, don't make it your last time by joining the family. Go ahead and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and you shouldn't miss a thing whenever I post a video. To my returning subscribers, hello, hi, how you doing? I'm going to start with my bedroom because I realize it's not so dirty actually, because I clean it often, and I've actually taken time without cleaning the whole house. I last cleaned I think 3 weeks ago, and that is too much. Apart from my bedroom, I've been cleaning it often, but I've not been doing that deep cleaning. So today I decided I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to take you along with me. Change the bed sheets and the bedding because I just switched those 2 days ago, and I already sleep in my bedroom. Sorry, I already sleep in my bed sheets for 5 to 6 days. Yeah, that's what I do, and then I remove them. So
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
bedroom, but just like I told you, I clean the bedrooms so often, and this bedroom particularly, I think it is the cleanest place in my apartment, because I don't use it often. Like, we are not always there. I'm always in my bedroom, sitting room, hallway and all that, kitchen, but this bedroom is always there, like it is always clean. So I'm not going to do a lot with it or about it. And
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
So done with the bedrooms. So what I'm going to go to the hallway. Actually, I'm not going to clean the bathroom plus the toilet, because I did that yesterday. But another thing, I think I care so much about my bathroom and the toilet. They always have to be clean. I don't know, I just love it. I just love seeing it clean. So yesterday I cleaned, so I didn't film. Another thing why I don't, actually I could be doing skincare routines in my bathroom, but this light is not favoring, like the light of my bathroom is not favoring. So I'm hoping to get another light, maybe. Yeah, I'm still thinking about it, but I cleaned it, so I'm not going to clean it today. Okay, so I'm going to clean the hallway. Actually, this hallway is very dirty, and I'm also going to put a rug after. Is it a rug? A mat. Yeah, I'm going to put a mat. It is very long. It takes 3/4 of the hallway, because
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be.
Fresh and clean. Actually, I removed the dummy that was there, and I just put it in my sitting room, because that previously it used to be there, but I just decided to make some changes. But I feel like I'm tired of it. The hallway is done. So the hallway is done. Mom was done with the half of the house. 2 bedrooms are done. My washroom or bathroom, this is my bathroom. I cleaned it yesterday, so it is clean, very, very clean. So this is the hallway that leads to the bathroom, to my bedroom, and to the other bedroom. There are 2 opposite bedrooms there. So I'm done cleaning. I was putting a dummy here. I think I'm going to put it back. I put my basket here for the rubbish. This is liquid soap. I use it for cleaning, washing, and all that. Yeah, so this is my kitchen. I'm done with cleaning it. I want to put this up. I'm thinking this side. I think here. Oh, the light is too much. Yeah, I'm thinking of putting it here, up here, though it is kind of big. So I'm going to eliminate this and the other side. So I put it here because I'm planning on bringing a cooker soon or later. Actually it is there already. I just need to bring it here. So I'm planning to put a cooker here. I put this up there, and then this, I don't know where it will be, but we shall find a way. The microwave. So this is a kitchen. I'm just from cleaning it. It is clean, really clean. And yeah, this is the microwave. I always cook from here because I use a lot of electricity when I'm cooking. I use a lot of pressure cookers, all those machines. The pressure cooker can prepare anything that I want: matoke, rice, beans, anything, spaghetti. And then I have the rice cooker up there, and then I have the steamer. It does everything. So all my machines are up there. I'm done with cleaning. So yeah, only thing I don't like about this, there is no door on this. There is no door, so I actually put my saucepans here. It is dark there. I put them here, and then I have that basket. I put food and the rest of the things. I put eggs there. Okay, most of the things that I don't want here, they go inside there. So there is no door, and I don't like it. And even this part, I really don't like it. I don't know why they left it open like this. Look at the sink. But anyway, we shall work with that. So yeah, I'm also from washing and cleaning the utensils. My sink is empty and clean. I don't like this tap. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I really don't like it. And I wish the tiles were white. I would do something with it, but this, I don't know. I really don't know what to do with it. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comment section. Guys, we're almost done. This is the last part, and it has a lot of work. So I'm going to clean the sitting room. I told you, a sitting room, I saw from there, so it is dirty. You know, when you're cutting those offcuts, and then some fabrics, they fray a lot. So on my carpet, there are a lot of things that I have to remove, and then I have to really clean. I have to do a deep cleaning. So my house is not all dirty, but yeah, I just love clean shit. I love it. So I'm going to be cleaning the sitting room, and then I'm going to be taking you through. I come and I finish the video. Look at a sitting room. It is very disorganized. It is dirty.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
That's the end of my apartment clean, deep clean with me. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please go ahead and put it in the comment section. I will be attending to you and replying to every comment. So if you have any questions, please drop them and tell me the kind of videos that you would like to see on this channel. Of course, I have a lot of content that is coming, but yeah, you can suggest what you would like to see and then I'll make sure I deliver. With all that being said, see you in my next video. Bye.